In this video we are going to talk about best ways to make money online with Google. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. So you're interested in earning a little more money on the side with Google Adsense. There are a plethora of opportunities to make money online. A lot of them, in fact, can be transformed into a full-time profession. Knowing what avenues work best for you and your skill set, and how to use those avenues appropriately, is the key to making money online these days. Furthermore, once you have established an online presence, it is much easier to manage it and keep the income flow flowing. If you're seeking for the greatest ways to make money online with Google, you've come to the correct spot. Here are 7 different ways to make additional money online, some of which you may have never heard of before. Number 7. Create a blog. The creation of a blog is, without a question, the most popular technique to earn money with Google. The process of setting up a blog is actually quite simple, and once you've linked your site to Google Adsense, you can start earning money right away. To make a blog successful, it goes without saying that you must have a fundamental understanding of search engine optimization, SEO, as well as a plethora of interesting ideas that people want to read about. However, if you are a creative individual or if you have a unique perspective on a particular topic, people may be interested in hearing what you have to say about the subject. It's important to note that the blogging community has a large number of members. It can be difficult to get things started in your niche, depending on the industry. It can be difficult to figure out how to get people to really locate and read your content, to say the least, and this is a challenge. However, if you can establish a blog that people find and appreciate, you may turn it into a full-time job that provides a stable income, all from the comfort of your own living room. Number 6. Create an ebook using an ebook photo. It wasn't that long ago that if you wanted to write a book and sell it, you had to do more than just write the book, you also had to try to sell it to publishers. Today, that's not the case. This means that it was extremely likely that you would put in all of the effort necessary to publish a book and never see a cent of compensation for your efforts. Thanks to ebooks, selling a book to thousands of people is now a feasible option for everyone interested in publishing a book. For those who have an interesting narrative to share, whether fiction or non-fiction, you should try producing an ebook and selling it through the Google Play Store. This, like a blog or website, necessitates the possession of some original ideas or the telling of an entertaining tale to engage the reader. But, if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and try it out for yourself. You won't have to worry about finding a publisher with whom to collaborate, but you will have to figure out how to get your book in front of as many people as possible to read and see it for themselves. Nevertheless, if you are able to develop some interest in your book online through social media and position your invention near the top of the list in the Google Play Store, you can expect to receive a substantial income. Number 5. Develop a mobile application. Did you know that more than 81% of adults in the United States own a smartphone at the time of this writing? And what is it that is on all of those smartphones? There are numerous smartphone applications. Using applications on a phone. So, if you have an idea for a good smartphone app and believe that other people would be interested in it, you should consider developing it and selling it through the Google Play Store instead. It's possible that you are a fitness enthusiast who is constantly inventing new workout regimens that you and your friends enjoy. Film some videos and post such routines on your app. People are constantly looking for fitness advice on the internet, so there is already a booming market for something like this. Alternatively, you may have a concept for a mobile game that hasn't been implemented previously. Create it, market it, and you may have the makings of the next billion-dollar mobile game on your hands. Number 4. Create a YouTube channel for your business. YouTube is one of the most popular websites in the entire world, with more than 30 million active users every day, according to Alexa. As a result, hundreds of content creators flock to the website on a daily basis to create films and earn money by taking use of the platform's broad reach. If you have a bubbly personality and some camera abilities, or if you have both, starting a YouTube channel could be the perfect side business for you. This, like everything else on this list, has the potential to become a full-time job with the correct amount of dedication. In a manner similar to that of a blog, you may link your YouTube channel to Google Adsense in order to begin earning money from adverts that are displayed on your channel. If you can establish a strong following on the site and cultivate a large number of dedicated subscribers, you can make a good living online simply by releasing a few videos per week on YouTube. To understand how to make some extra money using YouTube affiliate marketing, read our post on the subject. Number 3. Create a podcast to share your thoughts. Podcasts are currently one of the most popular forms of entertainment available. No specialty exists on the internet that isn't served by a podcast, or 100, that is specifically geared toward that area. Microphone for podcasting. Podcasts, in the same way that YouTube has given anybody the opportunity to become a television star, have given anyone the opportunity to become a radio broadcaster. In order to determine whether or not you have what it takes to run a successful podcast, conduct some preliminary research into what it takes to run a successful podcast. Consider the possibility that you and your pals have intriguing and amusing chats regarding the newest sporting events. If you and your friends are all into gaming and are constantly debating which new games are the best available right now, you should consider starting a podcast about it. It is possible to gain money by recording those discussions and distributing them through various podcast services such as Google Play. It goes without saying that you will need to understand how to properly use that platform in order to make money. Things like ad sponsorships and an e-commerce site that sells merchandise linked to your podcast can help you earn a substantial amount of money on the internet. Advertising companies will compensate you if your podcast episodes receive a significant number of downloads. Build a strong fan base and you will be able to sell goods linked to your show, as well as go on tour and perform your podcast in front of a live audience. Number 2. Participate in Google Opinion Rewards surveys. Do you consider yourself to be someone who has an opinion on virtually everything? From odd things to movies and TV series, if you're an opinionated person, then Google Opinion Rewards couldn't be more suited for you. Google Opinion Rewards provides users with a chance to participate in paid online surveys that span a broad range of topics. Sure, you won't make a ton of money every survey, but they're quick and easy and you may complete as many as you like. This item does not have a very high ceiling, in comparison to some of the other items on the list. However, if you're trying to supplement your income, this is one of the more promising possibilities on this list. Number 1. Investigate Google's remote employment opportunities. Finally, it is impossible to talk about making money with Google without mentioning the possibility of directly working for the company. That Google is a giant corporation would be an underestimate of the situation. The fact that they are a multinational organization means that they are constantly on the lookout for fresh employees. They are constantly on the lookout for persons who are interested in working remotely in a specific industry. So take a look around Google's Remote Careers website and see if anything catches your eye. Remote Career. Upon further inspection, you may be astonished to discover an abundance of engaging and exciting career possibilities with Google that allow you to work from the comfort of your own home. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.